All right, and there one on your I hope ejimnaka no na agoari ihe mere. After class, I want everybody to go back and review. And I'm going to ask questions based on what we did before. So aga na ajụjụ. Turn the way in the kitchen. Aga na ajụjụ. Ka mmata m nọ ka na-echeta ihe ndị anyị mere. I want to know if you guys are remembering what we did. Kedu onye gịnị wụ interrogative pronouns? Kedu onye ma ihe wụ interrogative pronouns we did before? Interrogative pronouns. Emara ya weli aka gị elu. Abama ajụjụ. Interrogative pronouns are ways you can ask questions in Igbo. Asking somebody questions. Now, who will give me an example of interrogative pronoun? Could onye ma ihe wụ example of interrogative pronouns? Zizi. Chizitrem, your hand is up. Okay, Chiamaka Innocent. Chizitrem is supposed to unmute. Chiamaka Innocent. I'm gonna give you. Okay, wait, let's give Chiama Zizi. Okay, Zizi, unmute yourself. Okay. You can unmute now. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. What is interrogative? You know it?
Ajuju.
Ajuju, Abama Ajuju, yes. Abama Ajuju is interrogative. Dalu chizitel. Kedu onye ga-agwa m nye m gwa m etu esi asị gịnị wụ what? Gịnị bụ what n'Igbo? Oluchi gịnị bụ what n'Igbo? A lot of people might Oluchi go meet yourself. Oluchi unmute gịnị wụ what n'Igbo?
Kedu ka ị mere?
No, what is not kedu ka ị mere. What?
Okay.
What? Remember, Oluchi, think about it. Remember when you say what? If your sibling is calling you, say what? So what is that? Guinea. Oluchi, what means Guinea? Yeah, Guinea. Can you say that again?
Guinea.
Guinea, yes, that's what means.
So Guinea bu aha gị.
Yeah, when you say, okay, Guinea bu aha gị, what is your name? You see that? Aha gị, but it's only what means Guinea. Like when you say Guinea bu aha gị. So the beginning of it is what is your name? You see that? Yeah, so that's what it is. So what means Guinea. Now, another interrogative pronoun. Who will give me another example of interrogative? Interrogative is like when you're asking questions. What are the beginning of those tense that you use? Where, when, how, why? So give me one. How do you say why in Igbo? Who will say that? Ebuka, Genebo, why? Ebuka, Genebo, why? Ebuka. Did I unmute you? Okay, unmute yourself, Ebuka. Okay.
Makagene.
Why Makagene? Makagene. So don't forget why means Makagene. Why would I do that? Makagene. Okay. Then what means Gene? Okay. Who will tell us where? Kedonya might hear where. Olichi Charezaya. Okay. Nkechi, Gene where? Nkechi, unmute yourself.
Ebe.
Ebe. Where is it? Ebe ka ono. Ebe ka ode. Where is it? Ebe. Where? Okay. Where? Ebe. Okay. Dalo. Who will tell us what is how? Chimkaima. Chikaima. How?
Kedu.
Kedu. Yes. How? Kedu etu. How? Kedu etu. You see? Kedu etu ngesi eme ya. Okay. Kedu etu ngesi eme ya. That's how. Okay. Who will tell us which? Which? Kadayama, which? Ebuka. Okay. I see Ebuka's hand up. Which? Okay, Ebuka, mute. Ebuka, ngwan.
Kedu nike ole.
Nkole. Nkole means which. Nkole. Some people say mbole, you know, so, but nkole. Dalo. What are the other interrogative pronouns? We have who? Who? Who will tell us who? Who? Is anybody raising hand? Let me see. Who tell us who? Okay, I'll ask somebody I have not. Nkechi? Nkechi, I'm going to mute.
Onye.
Onye. Who is knocking? Onye. Who is cancer? Abonye. Abonye. Who is she? Who is ze? Who is it? Okay. Onye. Who? Because then I got one here. When? When? Nobody? When? When are we going? Hey, guys, come on. When? When is it? When are we going? Mbala. Kedogabu. Ogo is like you're trying to find out the time. Okay, when you say, when are we going? Okay. Mbole. Or you say, kedogabu. What time are we going? Mbole, when are we going? Okay. All right. Okay, so today, meaning tada. I see should do bem na to ben na. Okay. Somebody was raising hand. Okay, so who remembered other things we did and the sentences we made? So if you know you don't know all these words, I want you to go back and relearn them. Now, I'm gonna ask more questions. Who will tell me? I'm gonna ask questions. Who will tell me how to say, I am coming? I am coming. If you know it, raise your hand. Zitelum, Zitelum, how do you say that? I am coming.
Ano. Abia.
Anam abia.
Ana. Abia.
Anam abia.
Anam. Abia.
Okay. Who will tell me how to say? She is here. She is here. She the bem. Mute. She is here. She the bem. She is here. She the bem. You need to unmute yourself. She is here. Okay, she the bem is coming. Some as a chupude. Is it chupude ngwa? What is she is here? Okay, if you don't know how to unmute yourself, there's nothing I can do. Chiduben, can you unmute yourself? Chukwode, can you unmute? You guys are not unmuting yourself. You want to answer the question, but you are not unmuting. Chukwode, can you unmute yourself? Okay, let's ask Chiamaka. Nkechi. Let's ask Nkechi. Nkechi, she is here. Unmute.
Anam ebe a.
No. Oboge anam eba. She or he is here. Anam eba is I am here. Anam eba means I am here, but I say she is here. Chukwu Emeka. Chukwu Emeka. Can you tell us what it is? She is here. Chukwu Emeka Hagwa, meet yourself. All right, people who don't know how to unmute themselves. Kedonyo ọzọ Mayanun. Makwa Chukwu, she is here. Unmute yourself.
Ono eba.
Ono eba dalo makwa Chukwu. Ono eba means she is here or he is here. Mobo. It is here. Ono eba. Now who will tell me they are coming? They are coming. Kedonye Maya. They are coming. They are coming. Chimde, Genebo, they are coming. Chimde, unmute yourself. They are coming.
Anya eba.
Hana abia. Can you say Hana abia?
Ana abia.
Dalo, Chimde. Kedonye gagwanye how etueshi ase. We are not coming. We are not coming. We are not coming. Simple. We are not coming. We are not coming. We are not coming. We are not coming. Simple. Gịnị we? Kedu onye ma ihe we? Na Igbo. Ebuka, gịnị we? I thought I said Ebuka san. Okay, Ebuka. Gịnị we?
Anye.
Anyị. Then how do you say we are not coming? We means anyị, anyị, we, us, okay? Anyị. Now, Ebuka, how can you say we are not coming? Okay, Chimde, how do you say we are not coming? We are not coming.
Anana.
We don't want somebody to tell him or her to say it. No, no. Mba, 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 mba. Okay, Chimde. Mama, say mama na auntie say ya nyere gefe, okay? Okay. Mommy nyere Chimde efe now. All right, so anyị anaghị abịa now. Anyị anaghị abịa, meaning we are not coming. Anyị anaghị abịa. Now, if you're going to say anyị agaghị abịa, we will not come. Now, pay attention again. We will. Okay? This is something that will happen later. We are not going to come. We are not going to come. Anyị agaghị. Now, see the difference. Anyị agaghị abịa. Okay? We will come. We will come. Anyị ga-abịa. Which means it's something that will happen later. It's not something happening now. Okay? We are coming. We are coming. Anyị na-abịa. I want you to pay attention to these three different things, okay? We are coming. It's something happening now. Anyị na-abịa. Na-abịa. Now, pay attention to something that will happen later, okay, which is future tense. We will come. Remember, the first one is we are coming, meaning you are doing it now. It's happening. Anyị na-abịa. We will come. Anyị ga-abịa. Anyị ga-abịa. Meaning we will come. Now, pay attention to something that you've already done. We came. We came. Anyị bịara. Anyị bịara. Anyị, we came. Anyị bịara. Now, if you want to say they came, they means ha. H-A. They means ha. Ha bịara. They came. Ha bịara. They came. Now, if you want to say ha agaghị abịa, they will not come. They means ha will not agaghị come abịa. They will not come. Ha agaghị abịa. Okay. They came. They came. Ha bịara. Okay. Now, if you want to say, my siblings came. Kedu onye ga-agwa m etu esi asị? My siblings came. My siblings means ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m means my siblings. My siblings came. Now, I want somebody to complete it. Ụmụnne m. I've been singing this. I want to make sure that you know the present tense, continuous tense, and past tense. Something happening now, something that is going to happen, something that had happened. So my siblings came, and I told you that my siblings means ụmụnne. We're not typing anything today. I'm not writing it. You can make your notes. I want to make sure you know how to say it. Because most of the times when I write it and I send it to the forum and then nobody reads it. So let's start saying it here. Who will tell me? Oluchi neba. Oluchi wele akagelu. Oluchi, get your hand up. I want to be able to see you. I think I have one Oluchi. Oluchi, Dalo. Oluchi, Dalo. Oluchi, unmute yourself. Oluchi, achọrọ ka ikwuo. Achọrọ m ka ikwuo means I want you to say. Ụmụnne m.
Ụmụnne m.
There you go. Okay. Remember how I said past tense, present, and then continuous tense. Anyị bịara means we came. Anyị bịara, we came. That's past tense. Now, anyị ga-abịa, we will come. We will come. Okay. Anyị na-abịa, we are coming. We are coming. So now, Oluchi, tell me, you know what is siblings? So, my siblings came. This is past tense. So, I want you to say how I told you that everybody that how to say it in when you want to say it in past tense. Okay. My siblings came, and my siblings means ụmụnne. Now, I want you to complete it. So, Oluchi, still with you. Okay. My siblings came. No, try, just try. Nwa ike gị.
Ụmụnne m.
It's okay. Remember I said, okay, now, listen again. Listen.
Ụmụnne m. Ụmụnne m.
What is the past tense? How did I tell you? That's how you're going to No, when you say na abia,
Biara.
miss, yeah, biara.
Yeah.
There you go. Umunnem biara. They came.
Yes. Okay.
Biara means past tense. When you say abiaram, so when you say na, oh auntie, I came. Abiaram.
Abiaram. Okay.
There you go. It means singular. It means you came. Abiaram. That M at the end made it a possessive. Okay,
Yes.
because you came. It's you. You're talking about yourself. And you have only 2 letters to use to address to yourself when you're talking about yourself. Which is E, and the A. So abiaram, if you're going to use the E, it's going to be ejerem. See that? Ejerem, I went.
Okay.
It's not I came. Ejerem is I went. Agaram, I went.
Oh.
But when you say abiaram, I
I
came.
came. Okay.
When you say agaram, I
went.
went. You see the difference? So everybody pay attention. I'm not talking to only Oluchi, but I have to pick on somebody. All right. So I went means agaram
Agaram.
mob ejerem.
Ejerem. Agaram. Ejerem.
There you go. I went. Now, if you say I came, abiaram, you see the difference? Abiaram. Yeah, abiaram. You
Is it
can. Go ahead.
Ebiaram?
You
No?
can use E and A together. No. If you write E-J-A-R-A, that is wrong. There are 2 different vowels. You can't combine vowels.
Okay.
Okay, let me say this, everybody. You guys are forcing me to write today. Okay, I'm gonna write. So let me open something. Because I want to make sure you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So I'm gonna share page. All right. We have here. Okay, I'm gonna make it big. Ejerem, right? Abiaram. Ejerem, abiaram. Okay. Agaram. Agaram. Ogara. Okay. Ogara. Obiara. Okay. Ogabia. Oga. Abia. Ogeje. Anyị na-abịa. Anyị bịara. Anyị bịara. Okay. Anyị na-abịa. Anyị bịara. Anyị ga-abịa. Okay. Now, everybody see this? I'm going to talk about them now. We're going to talk about this now. Okay. I want to make sure everybody is paying attention here. All right. So I'm going to say something here too. We have group of vowels. Okay. This group of vowels here, we have A group, we have E group. All right. The A group, we have the vowels as A, E. Oh, come on. O and O. Now, E group, we have E, O, U. Okay, so we're going to punctuate all this to get what we're supposed to do. So this group of vowels here, all the A group of vowels supposed to be punctuated underneath. Anyị ga-etinye ya ntụpọ n'okpuru. Anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru. Let me get something here. The A, which is the I with dot underneath both of them. Underneath both of them. So let's go back. I can't believe some people are coming to class this time. Okay, so this one should be punctuated. So we should have it both up and down. We need to dot this I up and down. Okay, so. And this group of vowels, E group of vowels, should not be punctuated. Now, when you're writing Igbo words, except names, I need everybody to pay attention here. Let me get myself. So when you're doing group of vowels, I want to make sure you see me and how I'm moving my mouth. So this group of vowels here, when you're doing them, remember how we say ejerem? Now, pay attention. Let me make it numbers. So make it numbers. Okay. So nkembo means number one. This ejerem, okay? This ejerem, you cannot, if you pay attention, I want somebody to pay attention here. Everybody to pay attention. We have E-J-E-R-E, right? You can, if I put ajaram, it's not going to work. You cannot combine the vowels. You cannot take E here and combine it with these vowels. These vowels in A group cannot combine with these vowels in E group. So for example, if E starts this word, then this is supposed to be E. Not always, just pay attention. But what I want you to know is that you cannot combine vowels. Okay? If you pay attention here, all of them are in the same group. Now, abiaram. Now, because that this A started it and all of them A, they come from one group of vowels. Now, the I should be dotted underneath. Do you see that? I want to make sure you're paying attention and you're understanding what I'm saying. The I here should be punctuated underneath it. You have to put a dot underneath. Okay? Here, there's nothing to put, and you cannot see. You cannot say here. You can put it egaram. That is wrong. It should be A. Because you cannot combine E and A that from different group of vowels. They're not in the same group. Except names, you may see Obinna. Then that Obinna should be dotted then. You may see Neka. Names can have combined vowels. But now, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying about vowels. So, Oluchi, you can see why you can put A on number 1 instead of E. You can put E on number 2 instead of A. So you can do that. And number 3, egaram is wrong. Unless if we want to put E, all of them, then it won't make sense. Ejera, ejera. That is not a word. It should be agaram. Agaram. Does anybody have a question? If you have a question on this, ask me now. I want to make sure you're following and you're getting it. Do you have questions? Are you confused about this group of vowels? Okay, Amara. Amara nwere, oh, Amara is just coming in. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ na this group of vowels. Oh, onwere nwere ajụjụ. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ, right? Okay. Now, ejerem means I went. Abịaram, kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe abịaram? Oluchi, gịnị wụ abịaram? Okay, wait, I need to unmute you. I'm going to unmute yourself.
I came.
I came. Oluchi, gịnị bụ? Ha gara.
They.
Ha gara. Huh? Go ahead. They what? Ha gara.
They went.
They went. There you go. Anyị na-abịa, gịnị ka ọ wụ?
We are coming.
We are coming. Anyị ga-abịa, gịnị ka ọ wụ?
Yeah.
Anyị ga.
Yeah. We.
That ga means will.
Okay, we will come.
Then, anyị agaghị abịa.
Okay. I will need help
Okay.
with that one.
It's in a negative form. Anyị agaghị abịa.
Okay. So say it again one more time, sorry.
It's in a negative form. Anyị agaghị abịa.
We will not come.
We will not come. Okay, how do you say it in Igbo? How do you say we will not come in Igbo?
Anyị gagi.
Anyị agaghị abịa.
Okay, anyị agagi abia.
There you go. That's simple. Anyị agaghị abịa. So let me put it here. Anyị agaghị. Let me say anyị agaghị. So G-H-I. There you go. Anyị agaghị abịa. Anyị agaghị abịa. Anyị bịara. Anyị na-abịa. Anyị ga-abịa. Ha ga-abịa. Unu ga-abịa. Now, gịnị bụ unu ga-abịa?
She or he?
Nope.
Oh boy.
She
Okay,
or he is he, she, it.
Oh no. Oh
Unu.
no.
Kedu onye ma ihe unu?
I don't know that one.
Unu means you all.
Okay, you all.
Yeah. Unu niile. If I say unu, or I can say unu niile ga-abịa. Now, how do you say, Oluchi? You all will not come.
Unu gagi abia.
Unu mere gịnị?
Unu agagi abia.
Unu agaghị abịa. There you go. There you go. Unu agaghị abịa. There you go. She got it. Unu agaghị abịa. Unu agaghị. Unu agaghị abịa. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ n'ihe ndị a? Unu agaghị abịa. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
No. Mba.
Okay. All right. This is going to be your homework. You're going to translate it to English, everybody. All this here, your job is to translate it to English. And that was why, if you have a question now, ask me, but do not ask me based on what I wrote here, because I'm not going to give you the answer. We already answered all of them, but I'm not going to answer it now. That is going to be your homework. So you can ask me outside this now. So anybody with any question? It's going to be fun. Uh-huh. Gịnị bụ ha niile bịara? Remember, Nkechi, gịnị bụ ha niile bịara? Unmute yourself, Nkechi.
They all came.
They all came. Don't write it down. I know she said it, but I'm going to change it though. So I'm going to change her and put, I'm going to put Mado Nile Biara. Madu Nile Biara. So, but at least you know what is Nile Biara. Now, ahịa. Gịnị bụ ahịa? Kedu onye ma ihe bụ ahịa? Ahịa means market, or you went to grocery. Ahịa is market. Agam. Aga. Agam aga ahịa. There you go. So you have, let me make it 15 questions. Anyị no. Eba. You know what? I'm gonna put those ones. We are all here. We all are here. They are coming. You will not come. You will not come. Yes. I am. You know what it's yes, so that's not a big deal, guys. I am not coming today. Well, let's make it 20 because you have till Thursday to send it to me. It's gonna be fun, right, everybody? You and they are here. No, they are not here. See, it's getting smaller and smaller. Simple. Uh-oh, what's going on here? What's going on here? I don't see my work anymore. Don't tell me this and deleted. Okay. Ha. Okay. Anom eba. Enoge. Eba. Anom eba. Enoge eba. Okay. Okay. Who knows what is enoge eba? Okay, Nkechi, gịnị wụ enoge eba? Nkechi, unmute yourself. Gịnị bụ enoge eba?
14.
Are you not here?
No, enoge eba means you are not here. Are you not here is a question, Nkechi. When you say, are you not here, is a question. Enoge eba means you are not here. Simple, okay? So now enoge eba means you. E means you. E means you. When you see I, it means you. And it's a direct. Okay? Enoge eba, you are not here. Now, on eba. Now I'm gonna change it because I'll leave it. That's okay. Gini bu anọ m ebe a. Gịnị bụ anọ m ebe a? Okay, Chidubem na-eweli aka. Chidubem, you wanna answer? Okay, I'm mute. Anọ m ebe a, gịnị ka ọ wụ?
I am here.
I am here, daalụ Chidubem. I am here. Anọ m ebe a. I am here. Now, I'm going to say, unu anọghị ebe a. Unu anọghị. Unu anọghị na ụlọ. That's it. Okay, onye nwere ajụjụ. So you have 20 questions for your homework. Homework. Ihe ọmụmụ. Ihe ọmụmụ is your homework. Ihe ọmụmụ na maọbụ ihe omume bụ homework. Ihe omume, 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 ihe omume, omume maọbụ ọmụmụ. All right, your homework. So do Thursday. And Thursday is what? Let me see. Onwe nwere ajụjụ. Akwụkwọ na ị nwere ajụjụ ugbu a jụọkwa ya. If you have a question now, ask me. So it's due 26. Due 26. It is due 26. Due. Onye nwere ajụjụ ugbu a jụọkwa ya. We did all this in class, so don't say that we didn't do it. It's your job to do the homework. And send it to me. No, send it to the forum. Send it to the forum. Okay? So due 26, Thursday. October 26. 26. Uh-oh. You know what? Let me just put that 10, 26, 23. All right. So we have this homework due October 26. If you finish your own by then, fine. If you finish your own by then, that is okay with me. Onwe nwere ajụjụ tupu anyị emesịa. Anybody with a question? Okay, let me see. I don't see anybody raising hand. Okay, Nwoko G. Who is there? Is it Angel? Okay, unmute yourself.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ. Kedu onye na-ekwu na gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name?
Oh, enwere m ajụjụ Angel.
Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name?
Aha m bụ Angel.
Angel. Okay, gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
So for the homework, are we supposed to like translate Igbo phrases into English? And
Yeah,
English?
Igbo, I think you're coming late. That's why. We did all this in class today. And what you need to do when I post the, let me stop the distance so that it won't be too long. I need to stop the recording first, so it won't be too long.